You worth more than gold, so hold your head up high. It's your time to shine.
Hi beauties, welcome back for another video. So I'm back with a crochet braid video. This is the hair. You guys know, I don't even have to say it at this point that I love crochet braids, and I will be wearing them, different ones, over the next few months. So this hair is the Kima Braid Harlem 125. This is the Soul Wave 20 inch, and I think this is a fairly new curl pattern. So yes, they have a variety of different colors. The hair is awesome right now that I can see. Now I don't have a lot left because I use 4 packs in my hair. This is a braidless, well, I'm gonna put semi-braidless crochet braid in the title because I would say 98% of my hair is out. Okay, so I do have 3 cornrows right here in the front to give me my invisible parting space that I desire, but the rest is braidless. Very easy. I do have a video on my entire hair braidless. I will leave it in the iCard right here. If you are interested, go ahead and check it out. But this took me about 2 hours, so that cut off a lot of time because usually I would have to cornrow my hair and then put it in, etc, etc. Okay, so here is the hair that I have left over, and you guys will see it in the video as well. But I'm going to go back in and kind of fill in some of these pieces at the top so I can hide the knots a little bit better. But let me show you guys the length of this hair. So here is the length. I'm trying to stand all the way up. Okay. So here's the length from the front. I'm going to show you guys from the side. Okay.
But if you're interested in how I got this look, just keep on watching. I will definitely, as I always do, come back with a review after I've worn this hair for a week or two to let you guys know how it is holding up.
Okay, so let's get into the video. This is the mesh cap that I will be using. You can purchase this from any beauty supply store, but I'm going to leave a link below so you guys can get, if you're interested. Okay, so this is the Kima Harlem 125. This is the Soul Wave, as I was telling you guys in the beginning, and the color 4. Okay, I'm going to put on my mesh cap. Oh, my hair has been pulled back into a ponytail, and then I kind of just pinned it, not pulled it back into a ponytail. I braided, plaited each side, and then just pinned it back. You could do a ponytail, you could do whatever works for you. I'm going to apply my cap, and I'm going to pull it all the way to the front for now. And this is how I'm going to start working. You will see what I do with the cornrows and all that good stuff in a minute. But for now, to start the process, I'm going to start right over the top of this mesh cap, okay? Any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. I will see you in my next one. Bye.